Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I'm gonna have a little reset day today and just be productive, get some things done. I love the feeling of like a fresh week beginning. I think I'm just gonna deep clean my room a bit, change my sheets, just run some errands, and I don't know if you can tell, my hair is wet right now, but I impulsively cut little bangs. I kind of really like them. I just need a little spice. I have Pretty Little Liars turned on. I just started rewatching it, so this is your sign to reset and be productive to prepare for the new week. I feel so tall right now. I'm in my dad's car. I am going to Plato's Closet to see if I can sell any clothes because Depop like banned me or something. My account doesn't exist anymore. So I'm gonna go there. Okay, I just dropped off my clothes. They said it was gonna be like 30-40 minutes, so whoa, let's manifest together that I get some money from this. I made $50, which is pretty good, honestly. I feel like Plato's Closet kind of scams me, but $50 is more than I was expecting. They did take a lot. I'm just glad that I was able to get rid of stuff because I've had this trash bag just sitting in my room since I've been back from school and just needed to go. So I'm back home. I need to plan some videos. I gotta read my 10 pages for 75 soft. And we'll just see where else the day takes me. This is literally the last page of my journal that I've written in for the past 3 years. Yeah, July 2020 was the first entry, so it's about to be literally 3 years, and I feel like every big life event and milestone and just random things are in here from the past 3 years, which it's been a crazy past 3 years now that I look back at it. I'm gonna write my last page. I did an intro page, and I guess I'll do like an outro page summing up the past 3 years, and then on to the next. New chapter, new book. I've been doing I got bit by a bug on my face. If you guys have been keeping up with me, you know I've been doing the 75 soft challenge, which is like a health and wellness fitness challenge, and part of it is you have to read at least 10 pages of a book a day. And this is what I'm currently reading. It's Just Kids by Patti Smith. I tried to start reading this like 2 summers ago. It was kind of like towards the end of summer, and then I went back to school, and then I kind of just forgot about it. But I'm reading it now, and I really like it. And I just finished The Glass Castle, which was a memoir as well. I feel like they're kind of a similar vibe, and I really liked both of them. So I don't know if I'm in like my memoir era.